This past weekend, we had some major news come about that has absolutely affected the world of cryptocurrency, the NFT market, and overall, just the entire world is buzzing right now over some of these major headlines that you do not want to miss. Jumping over and taking a look at CoinMarketCap, as you can see over the past 24, 48 hours, or several days, a lot of these cryptocurrencies, these majors, are in the green. Bitcoin's finally over 63,000, Ethereum's over 3,300, and Solana is trading over $150 per token. This is some major movements, and we may have finally touched down that summer low that we've been talking about, we've been chopping, and about to climb out and really make some big moves. Unless you're living under a rock over the past weekend, you probably know about the assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump. And our thoughts and prayers and sorrow go out to the family and friends of victims of that rally. Terrible, tragic news. I grew up close to that area and I could not imagine what those people are going through. Some tragic things have happened, but the assassination attempt on Donald Trump has sparked some major movements within the crypto markets, financial markets, and even within this political campaign movement. Not to make this about politics by any means, but a lot of people believe that with Donald Trump surviving this assassination attempt, his odds have gone up on Polymark to about 71% chance to win this upcoming election and to become our next president of the United States. And the crypto markets seem to like this. And a big reason why is Donald Trump and their campaign, the Republicans, have publicly opened up and talked about how they are trying to embrace crypto, establish regulation. They're even going to be attending in the next couple of weeks Bitcoin Nashville with some major speakers there like Vivek and Donald Trump, and that is still being planned to happening. But with that all being said, a lot of people believe that a lot of these green days that we're starting to see and we're going to see in the future are because they believe Trump is going to win the election, is going to bring a pro stance to cryptocurrency, and that is going to benefit all of us that are holding cryptocurrency, NFTs, and just work within the world of Web3 and blockchain, because that is the future. Beeple, who is one of the most well-known NFT artists of our day and age, who creates a new NFT, a new piece of art every single day, and a lot of that leans into current events and what's going on in our world. It's really interesting how he utilizes art to tell a story, current events of what is happening. As you can see, one of his most recent pieces over the weekend is Donald Trump with a fist in the air, kind of a remake of that famous photo that probably everybody's seen with the bloody ear, Secret Service around him, the American flag in the background. And now his most recent piece is essentially conspiracy theorists with a tinfoil hat on, watching major media news outlets, really trying to break down every inch of this news story. But what we do know is how this is now going to impact us throughout this entire election process. Crypto has a front row seat of how it's going to be, how it's going to react, how these storylines, how this election is going to pan out overall. And a lot of people even bring up, hey, Trump's not even going to come through with these promises that he's promising people within crypto. Kind of my own point of view is it doesn't even really matter over the next 6 months, because if people really believe Trump is going to be the next president of the United States and has a pro stance on crypto, it's only going to further intensify this bull run we are going to develop, we're going to run into. And imagine a world where we don't have Gary Gensler stepping in our way, or possibly U.S. regulation around crypto finally. We will absolutely pump across all sources of cryptocurrency and NFTs. The Trump news, or the Trump pump, a lot of people are calling this, isn't the only piece of news that I believe cryptocurrency is starting to turn green. Is showing some really strong signs of a reversal. As you can see here, Germany, who had 50,000 Bitcoin, has been selling it off, suppressing the price, is completely done. They're out of selling Bitcoin. They sold all their Bitcoin. So we have no more sell pressure down to keep the price of Bitcoin going down. And we've seen a nice reversal there. In addition to that, we also got some news here that China is, and this is a rumor going around, but China is likely to unban Bitcoin in the fourth quarter, which would be huge news overall. I feel like they're banning it one year, they're unbanning it the next year, but it sounds like if these reports are true, this is going to be another pro piece why we think crypto is going to have a very strong upcoming year. Coming out of Russia, the Russian Ministry of Finance made an announcement that Russia is going to allow crypto trading on stock exchanges. We've been hearing about this for a few months now, but this is a major development across the world. This isn't just news centering around the United States. We have big news across the world that Russia is going to allow crypto trading on stock exchanges. In addition to that, another very interesting piece of news here is South Korea's ruling party is proposing a delayed crypto taxes by 3 years for capital gains by 2028. Another huge piece of news around crypto and Bitcoin that's going to further enhance this upcoming bull run. Even more bullish headlines are coming out every single day, such as Larry Fink, who is BlackRock CEO, coming out. He was a skeptic, but he studied and learned about Bitcoin. Now he thinks it's a legitimate financial instrument that's going to give uncorrelated returns. He's calling Bitcoin digital gold. And as we all know, BlackRock has also talked about their $10 trillion tokenization vision for a future of real world assets. In addition to that, Goldman Sachs is even talking about diving into crypto tokenization with billions of dollars at stake. And this is really going to further enhance not only the cryptocurrency market, but just real world assets, NFTs in the world of Web3. It is a crazy time to be in these markets. It's a crazy time to be alive, for goodness sakes. But all these major headlines are really setting up for a bullish time to be in crypto, to be diving deep into NFTs and how we can leverage Web3 and blockchain technology to our advantage. If you want to learn more about that, learn more about NFTs, about cryptocurrency, about meme coins, and meme coins over this past weekend also ran heavy around this Trump news, jump into our private community. We're talking about this every single week, major opportunities to really capitalize on this big news. Our link's down below. It's only $1 to get started, and we would absolutely love to have you join. Once again, thanks everyone for joining me. Links down below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. We'll see you soon.